Hey, peace family, what's going on? Check me out, man. Look, somebody was telling me that starting an online business is expensive. Like, it can be, but they don't gotta be. It does not have to be. All right. We live in a day and age where you can make money from your phone right now, today, every day, getting paid every day, just talking from on your phone, just from being on YouTube. It's simple and that's free. Or let me not say free. You ain't spending no extra money starting out. You just spending money on your Wi-Fi on your phone or whatever it is that you already do anyway. All you gotta do is find you a lane, find you a niche, and provide value in that niche. And if it's something that you do every day, just be authentic. People gonna love that. They're gonna see that, and your tribe or your people is gonna gravitate towards you. All right, you always gonna have to overcome people that don't like you and disagree. Whatever, it's cool. All right, it's part of life. Part of life. All right, but you know what's expensive to me? Let me pose a question for you. Would you spend $10,000 to talk to a millionaire, to get the game, get the blueprint? I mean, and be a mentor. Just walk you from A through Z on everything. Walk you through A to Z on everything, like step by step. This is how you gonna be a millionaire. This is how you gonna level up your net worth. This is how you gonna be free in this system. Or would you go spend 50, 60, 70, 80,000 to go get a degree from a university or other institution? That's just a question. I'm not here to argue with people. I'm just proposing a question. Okay. And I know they say entrepreneurship ain't for everybody. That's cool. But you're going to get left behind if you don't start doing something and providing a sense of security for yourself and your family. Providing a sense of security for you and your family. Something that can be passed down. Do you know how these people are born into these situations? You say, oh, he a trust baby. Well, you should maybe understand trust and how to have your child as a beneficiary on the trust for when that time comes. Or maybe we should all start learning how to administer trust. That's a whole nother conversation. I'm learning though. But what I'm saying is you have to create your own situation. All right. It's going to be your mindset. It's going to be the only thing that's holding you back out here. Okay, you got to have the right mindset before you even do anything. So with all you thinking that is this making money online stuff a scam, do you see people blowing up off of Vine and TikTok and now they got whole shows and they real celebrities now? Do you see people reviewing clothes and shoes and they have their affiliate links and you go buy their clothes and shoes and they getting paid from that? Do you see people go doing food reviews and next thing you know is people paying them to come to their spot or they sending them food to review? Huh? Do you see people out here selling weight products and stuff and getting results and helping other people? Just because those particular products and services are not for you, it does not mean there is not a lane for you. There's a lane for you. It's just about what are you going to choose? What path are you going to take? You see what I'm saying? Open up your mind out here, man. They got this pandemic going on. Most people scared to leave the house when you could be making money from home every day for under $500, $200. You can get started for free. I just told you can use this phone. I showed you how to make free stocks. All you got to do is refer people to get stocks. People don't want to do that. If you're going to be lazy and you're going to be comfortable and you're going to be complacent, then you're right. Yeah, a business is going to be expensive. But guess what? That job make you get up on time. You see what I'm saying? You're going to have more tax breaks and more benefits operating from a business standpoint. And once you really work for it and get it going, man, you're going to be happy. Is it a journey? Yeah, it's a journey. I'm not perfect. I'm speaking from, that kombucha. I'm speaking from the standpoint of my experience. I've been to school. I went to community college, but I went to school because I didn't know what I wanted to do. I thought I was supposed to do it. So I'm speaking from the standpoint, if you don't know what you're supposed to do and you're just thinking hey, I don't think that's a good idea. Sit down and figure out what you want out of life. Write it down. Put it on some pen and paper and map out how you're going to get there and take the steps to get there. You see what I mean? Like live in that, be in that, create your own reality. Truly being free is when somebody takes control of their situation all right, to where they don't have to rely on anybody else, all right? It's your responsibility to take care of yourself and your family. Your ability to respond to your situation right now, okay? It's not anybody's responsibility to feed you or your children. It's not anybody's responsibility to clothe you and your children. It's not anybody's responsibility to just take care of you in at all. Now look, again, I'm not perfect. I ain't no millionaire, but I've been on this journey for a little while, okay? And I'm just giving you some insight and some mindset for yourself, because that's going to be the only thing holding you back, all right? That's it. For me, it's expensive to waste my time and energy doing something that's not going to be beneficial to me down the line, all right? Like, look, I'm telling you right now, you need to get some life insurance, you know, preferably whole term. Guess what? You can borrow from that while you're still alive. Some people say they don't like that. But I'm speaking from the entrepreneur standpoint. Okay? All right? But just in general, just even have you some regular term life. Just because we tired of buying barbecue plates. Okay? We tired of that. You know? You can be a e-notary. You can be a notary from the house. Okay? You know, you start your business with Uber and Eats and all that stuff too. You can really be operating as a business while you're doing that, all that stuff, getting tax breaks. All right, man. It's what's her name? Ebony with Kiki Mats. I don't know her like that, but she was down bad, and guess what? In Houston, popping right now, selling doormats, fly doormats. If somebody on my page know what I'm talking about, make sure to tag our page. I try to tag it. So I'm saying it's plenty of ways and opportunities out here that you can make some money, and you can start your business, a virtual business, for free. And especially if you got knowledge and information or experience in a particular niche, and especially if you got a following already. All right. It's business out here. It's business out here. It's business out here. Remember, even with me saying like that, it's all spiritual and it's all mental. Okay, but all these components are very important to me, and all these experiences that I'm sharing with, they're coming from a real place of love and passion. Okay, because spiritual is being balanced is very important to me. Being healthy is very important to me. Being financially stable is very important to me. Okay, I know most of you don't hear from me, you don't see me. All right, I'm doing well because I'm still here and I'm still pushing. But I'm not just pushing for me. I'm doing this for my people, my lineage, my last name, my bloodline, because I just can't keep on with this trend that we have. We got to get back to the royalty, all right? King and queen type stuff, you know. You feel me? So anyway, my rant over. If you feel me, like, share, subscribe. And if you got something you want to build on, I'm open to it. Drop down in the comments. It's an open forum. You know, long as we have an intellectual conversation, I'm fine with that, you know. But peace and love, family. Let's get it, man. Get up off your ass. Let's get it.